I got a new chicken recipe I'ma try. These the seasonings that I'm gonna use. I got some pineapple juice first. I'm gonna throw a cup of pineapple juice into the skillet. In fact, I'm gonna do a cup and a half. Season your chicken like you like it. Like I say, with your favorite seasonings. Once that pineapple juice come to a boil, I'm gonna add this chicken. I'm gonna let the chicken boil in the pineapple juice until the pineapple juice is completely evaporated. I'm gonna cook me some asparagus. I'm gonna show you how I do that. I'm gonna cut them. Cut the ends off all of them. I always cut the ends off to all of them. Oh yeah, they boiling just fine. I'm gonna flip them over after 15 minutes. Now as for my asparagus, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some olive oil over it. And make sure they all get mixed around. I'm gonna twirl them all around in olive oil. All of them gonna get some olive oil twist, and then I'm gonna add my seasoning. After the pineapple juice cook all the way down, I'm gonna add a scoop of garlic, minced garlic, and add a cup of water to it. And mix all them together. Mix all that together. Once I season my asparagus up real good, I'm gonna add a little bit of butter to it. Then I'm gonna wrap it up in this foil, and I'm gonna stick it in the oven for 10 minutes on 400. The next move after I add the water and get that to boiling, I'm gonna add some soy sauce. About 2 tablespoons of soy sauce to give it that flavor. And I'm gonna put that top over it and let that cook. They should be looking like that. Flip them one time or so. You see them? Let this water boil all the way down. Now it's time for me to put my asparagus in the oven. I already got some cornbread in there getting warmed up, getting heated up. Looking like that right there though. These are asparagus after 10 minutes. Still kind of crispy, not soggy. Tastes pretty good. Okay, so now I'm gonna add a little honey. Gonna give it that flavor and that twang. I'm gonna hit them with some honey. Really you don't need but a teaspoon of honey. I'm gonna add a little mustard. And I'm gonna shoot a little ketchup. It's gonna give it that savory. I'm gonna mix all that up and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Cornbread come out, I gotta hit it with some butter. Butter that thing on down. A little light Sunday football meal, seasoned asparagus, buttered cornbread, pineapple boiled chicken. I'm gonna show you how this tastes right now.